How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. If any day you would like to enable two-factor authentication on your very Discord account, just follow the following steps. First of all, you need to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on your very Discord application. After you tap on your very Discord application, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you need to go to the profile section. In order to do so, you need to tap on the U section there, that is the profile section of your very Discord. After that, you need to go to the settings icon on the top. After you go to the settings icon on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the privacy and safety. If you do not find the option of privacy and safety there, you have to go to the option of the account and tap on account. After you tap on account, you can see the option of the multi-factor authentication. Now you have to go to the option of enable authenticator app, and after you tap on the option of enable authenticator app, you need to tap the very passport of your Discord account there, and you can tap on the option of OK. And after you tap on the option of OK there, you have to go to the option of the security keys, and you can also register a security key. And this way you can enable the multi-factor authentication or the two-factor authentication on your very Discord account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.